Hello and welcome to the channel. This video focuses on the Monorim DIY build your own e-scooter option. Thank you so much to Monorim for partnering with me for this video, and as always, please do like, please do subscribe to the channel, and I really hope you find this video useful. So an introduction here to the Monorim DIY site. I've included an affiliate link in the top left hand corner that will help you click straight through to the site. You can rotate the scooter, which is in its base form at the moment in 360 degrees. You'll see more of that throughout this demo. I've chosen the inner tube and the top options here of dual motor, dual brakes and dual suspension. Next, we move on to the brake system. You can opt between discs or hydraulic. Next is battery capacity. You can opt between 20 or 25 amps. Then there are quite a few different options on the shocks. On the front, you can choose between red, black, gold or blue. And on the rear shock, you can choose between red, black and gold. You can opt to have a steering damper or not, and these come in either red or black. These help stabilise the scooter, particularly when at high speed. And this is what it looks like. The next option is for an LED light board, and there are 3 different options to choose from. I think the first option here matches the scheme so far. Next for me is a definite opt-in option, and this is for the foot pedal. This stops you getting your foot trapped in the suspension, and you can choose here between red, black and gold. Next is the foot structure options, so you can have a single mount or a centre stand. You can opt to have an additional battery, extending the range of this scooter significantly. And you can also opt to have a 3-litre waterproof bag and a sound converter as well, which plays sounds as you're riding the scooter. Next options are the decorative stickers. You can choose between red, blue and gold. You can opt to have a cooling cover, which provides additional cooling for the battery system. And the final option is a GPS tracking system. So many options on this scooter. You really can create quite a unique proposition here in terms of having a scooter that is very unique to you. And this is the fully spec'd scooter, rotating in 360 degrees. That's absolutely fully loaded. So the Monorim SUV S1 contains many of the components that you would have just seen in the DIY options list. It has front and rear dual motors, discs and suspension. Looking more closely at the rear of the scooter, the rear suspension is spring and it's spec'd in red. The kick plate on the back there is in black. The damper is spec'd in red, and also the front shock is spring and also spec'd in red. This is an incredibly quick and powerful scooter once it's been hacked, and it's very stable with really effective suspension and brakes. 4 different modes: walk, eco, drive and sport, with a top speed of 65 kilometers, and this scooter has absolutely exceptional climbing ability. Another link here to the QR code that takes you through to the affiliate link so you can specify your own scooter. So there you go, that is the Monorim DIY build your own e-scooter option. A really innovative approach, I feel, from Monorim in terms of specifying your own custom demands and having that scooter built and delivered to your door. Thank you so much to Monorim for partnering with me for this video, and I really hope that some of the footage you've seen gives you a chance to understand some of the components, what to expect and what they are performing like in real life. As always, please do like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, it really does help me so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.